Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG, Drive on your MacBook Air. Since BeamNG, Drive is a Windows-exclusive title, and your MacBook Air runs on Apple Silicon, direct installation isn't possible. The only viable approaches involve either running a virtualized Windows environment or utilizing a cloud gaming platform. We'll explore both options to get you behind the wheel of this incredible simulator, ensuring you understand the requirements for each method. One effective method is using virtualization software like Parallels Desktop. You'll install Parallels on your MacBook Air, then set up a Windows for ARM virtual machine. Once Windows is running virtually, you can install BeamNG, Drive just as you would on a standard PC. Keep in mind that performance can be quite demanding, especially for a physics-intensive game, so a MacBook Air with at least 16 gigabytes of unified memory is highly recommended for a smoother experience. Alternatively, cloud gaming offers a powerful solution. Services like GeForce Now or Boosteroid allow you to stream BeamNG, Drive directly to your MacBook Air. The game runs on powerful remote servers, and the video feed is sent to your device. This means you don't need a high-end local machine to enjoy excellent graphics and performance. However, a very stable and fast internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or more, is absolutely essential for a seamless experience. To truly optimize your BeamNG Drive experience, consider a few key points. If you choose virtualization, a MacBook Air with at least 16 gigabytes of unified memory will provide the best performance. For cloud gaming, prioritize a robust and low-latency internet connection. Regardless of your chosen method, using an external game controller will significantly enhance your driving precision and overall immersion. Both methods offer unique advantages for playing this fantastic simulator on your MacBook Air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.